LTASE. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects have toilet humor and some sound effects are plain. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going.
I have no idea why I'm still pooping. It just won't come out, you know.
Some sound effects can be previewed, short and medium sounds only.
Oh, and please do not preview long sounds, okay?
Some sounds are short, which is 𝚍𝚬𝚜𝚛𝚘𝚘𝚖's water sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is 𝚍𝚬𝚜𝚌𝚘𝚗's pooping and farting sound effect. And some sound effects are super long, like Ari's 2-minute farting sound effect. LTASE, let's talk about sound effects.
Today's episode is the peeing sound effect from 𝚍𝚬𝚜𝚛𝚘𝚗, and the host...
It's me, your mouse Rattie. Oh, hi. It's me, your mouse Rattie. In this episode, I will talk about the peeing sound effect from a video by 𝚍𝚬𝚜𝚛𝚘𝚗. It was heard in a video called lik. And before I talk about the rest, I'm gonna show you this sound effect. It goes like this. See, I told you that the sound effect would sound like. This sound effect is used when I urinate in the toilet, and now I will talk about the rest. It was uploaded 3 weeks ago on May 24th, 2026. The duration of the... I'll do the durations later. Right now, I will test it early. I gotta relax so the pee can trickle down now. Much better. I really had to pee so badly. But anyways, the duration of the sound effect is 0.32 to 0.40. The total seconds are 8. The lazy music will be removed at the beginning and end. As of right now, I already previewed the sound effect, so I'm all done for today. Or maybe not. I feel so much better yet again now after pooping. You know, I had to end the episode early because I accidentally previewed the sound effect and tested it while urinating at the same time during the discussion. And one more thing, this sound effect is also used for water pouring into glass before drinking. Get it? That's so funny. Well, looks like I have some pooping to do now, and I'll see you later in episodes 58 and 60.